Hello everybody, welcome to my Dollar Tree humidifier review. Today I went by the Dollar Tree, and as I was getting some chocolate bars for a pretty good price, I saw this little thing. It's a USB floating humidifier, and I was like, no way does that work. You can look at everything. It looks pretty simple, and I'll admit, out of the package it pretty much is, but I thought I would share it because it actually works, and it's kind of weird. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some water. Now that I have that, I'm gonna just put in this little sauce kind of glass cup. Now the package does say to let it sit in the water for about a minute, but I've already been using this for the past 5 minutes, so it's already nice and soaked. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in. And would you look at that? A tiny little humidifier. And it floats on water. Wow. I will have to say, after using this, after putting my fat little face over it and just sucking in the air through my nose, I already feel less congested. It feels great. And I really would recommend this. It's very nice. The package also says that when the water gets too low, it will automatically shut off. So there's no worry about, having this just run up your electricity bill, right? But yeah, I thought I'd share this cool little thing at the Dollar Tree. If I were you, I'd go get one. It's pretty handy dandy, and I would say it's definitely worth its price for how simple it is. There's no smells that I've noticed. It also says not to put any essential oils in it, but for what it's worth, $1.25 just to have a humidifier for when you're sick. Pretty worth it. So, thanks again for watching my Dollar Tree review, and I hope you all have a good rest of your day. Bye.